The next letter we're going to look at, we actually had a hint of it in the last lesson, is the letter Y. This is a very easy letter once you've done the letters we've done so far. It's a composite. You've already learned how to do an I, and you've already learned how to do a J. All you need to do now is bring them together and you have the letter Y. So we go light up, dark down, light up, dark down, and away. And that is our Y. Right? If we were to dot it, it would turn into IJ. We're not going to dot it. Except that, of course, an I and a J, you have more room here. Right? So an IJ should have this space, but you can see why this confusion can happen. IJ and Y are not quite the same, and they shouldn't be the same, because a J has this lead-in space here, right here, whereas in the letter Y we are much tighter. We don't have the lead-in space here, it's disappeared. So even if you didn't have the dots, you can see that the Y is not quite the same as an I followed by a J. Right? Not quite the same there. Sorry, you didn't see what I was saying here, that the lead in here of the J is much wider. Let's do this again. The perils of, right? See, that lead in there is much wider than it is here, which is very tight. Right? This is essentially you're coming down onto the same line here. You're going up on the line and coming down onto it. And of course this is why we go light up, dark down, because if you went dark up, dark down, this line would be much too heavy. So the reason why we are light on our upstrokes is not to overemphasize where it would ruin the balance of the lettering. Light up, dark down, light up, dark down, and away. And that's our Y.